What's up guys, just McCarthy here, so I'm glad you're enjoying these videos. So, it's very bright in here today. Well, the sun is out and no one will walk, but, I'm glad you're enjoying these videos, the Camcorder videos. So, like, comment, share, and subscribe, so continue watching. This looks like daylight. So bright out. So glad you guys are enjoying this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna keep making these videos. Even though I don't have certain cam, I have this camcorder and I have still camcorder. So I'll see you guys later. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. This is winding tape, VHF tape. Gonna walk in a little bit and do some hockey math. Are you cold? Good morning guys, so I just woke up, I'm gonna make some more of my coffee, I'm gonna take my pills, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. What's up guys, so I want to tell you something, Facebook is down again. I'm fed up with it. I'm not using Facebook anymore. This is my only source of social media, YouTube, which I like anyways. Never using Facebook again. I said that before, but now this is happening multiple times. It's happened multiple times. I can shut it down for a couple of minutes, hours, whatever the reason was, but I'm never going to it again. That's the line for me. Simple on. So I'm gonna delete all the Facebook apps on my devices. Never using them again. It's only YouTube because I like YouTube a lot, and YouTube doesn't do that. YouTube doesn't do that. So that's what I'm doing. I may still have a Facebook account, but I won't go on it. I will not go on it. So the only way to contact me is through YouTube. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Continue watching. What's up guys, I'm using the camcorder today, for a couple of days actually. So it's about how Rogue night vision camera. Let me show you what night vision looks like. So turn the lights off. Now there we go. There's night vision. Facebook was down today. I have no clue why. I got so upset earlier saying I was not going to do it, but just because that. I'm back on Facebook because I'm back on, and I just don't like when Facebook does that. Why does Facebook always do that? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And the battery's awesome on this, by the way. The battery has lasted me a couple of days, and it's still 100%. So, thumbs up on the battery. You can just get one battery. No, it's not nice day. Crazy night. Crazy night. Very gloomy out right now. What's going on? Because check it out here. Check it out. iPad. What's up, everyone? So I'm still at my mom's house. I'm going to Arlene's today. Arlene is my mom's friend. So we are going to dinner to her house. She wants to have us for dinner. I'm not sure if we'll film much there. Maybe the food, what she'd be cooking for us. And then I'm going home after, so yeah, so it's gonna be a nice, easy day today, pretty much. Then tomorrow I'm gonna clean my place, but yeah, tomorrow I'll clean my place, and then relax the rest of the day. I gotta transfer some of these footage over to my flash drive, so that's what I'm gonna be doing when I get home. But yeah, hope you guys will enjoy this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to continue watching. Okay.
your outro.